Hi, so welcome back. So next part of Shiroroga. In this we are dealing with three diseases: Shirakamba, Anandavada and Shankaga. So Shirakamba is only mentioned in Ashtanga Hridaya and Anandavada is only mentioned in Susro Samhita. And Shankaga is mentioned in both the classical texts, Ashtanga Hridaya and Susruta. You'll get Shankaga. So in that first one is Sirakamba, which is mentioned only in Ashtanga Hridaya. Vadolbanaha Sirakambam Tatsapnyam Kurvade Malaha. Vadolbanaha Siraha Kambam Tatsapnyam Kurvade Malaha. So here which dosha predominant? All the doshas. Malaha. Vadolbanaha. In that which dosha is predominant? Vata dosha is predominant. So Vadolbanaha Malaha Sira Kambam. Sira Kambam. Sira means head, right? Kambam means shaking of head. Tat Sapnyam, the same only name of the disease also. Tat Sapnyam Kurvate Malaha. It is caused by all the doshas, especially Vada dosha. So that is Sirakamba, which is mentioned only in Ashtanga Hridaya. Here all the doshas are involved in that. Vada is predominant and it will cause the shaking of the head. That is Sirakamba. Vadolbanaha Sirakambam Tat Sapnyam Kurvade Malaha. And the treatment for this is Vadabhitapa Vihidaha Kambe Dahad Vina Kramaha. So Vadabhitapa Vihidaha Kambe in Kamba, Shira Kamba, Vadabhitapa Vihidaha. That means Vadaja Shirashula Chikilsa can be given in Shirakamba also. Dahad Vina Kramaha, but don't give there. Ajar is mentioning about Dahana karma, but in Sirakamba don't give Dahana karma. So Dahad Vina Kramaha. So treatment other than burning should be done in Sirakamba, which is mentioned for Vadaja Shirashula. In Vadaja Shirashula, what all treatment is mentioned that we can give in Sirakamba also, except Daha karma should be given. So this is Sirakamba. Sirakamba, nothing but all the doshas are involved and Vada Pradhana disease, and also the only symptom is Sirakambam, shaking of the head. And we can give here Vadaja Shirashula Chikilsa except Dehana Karma mentioned for Vadaja Shirashula. So that is the Lakshana and Chikilsa for Shirakamba. Next comes Shankaga. Shankaga is mentioned both in Ashtanga Hridaya and Susro Samhita. This is the slogan mentioned in Ashtanga Hridaya. Pitta Pradhaner Vadade Shanke Shofasa Shonidaihi Tivraddaha Ruja Raga Pralaba Jwara Trid Pramaha Tiktasya Pida Vatana Shipragari Sa Shankagaha Triratra Jividam Handi Siddhyantyabhi Ashu Satidaha. Pittapradaner Vadadehi Shankhe Shofaha Sashonidaihi. Shankaka means that region, Shanka Pradesha. This disease is affecting in Shanka region, the temple region. And also which dosha predominant? Pitta Pradana Vadadehi Sashonidaihi. So all the doshas are involved, even Dekta is involved. Pitta Pradanaha, in that which dosha is predominant? Pitta is predominant. So Pitta Pradana Vadade Shanke, in Shanka region, what symptom will be there? Shofaha, Shofa swelling will be there. Tivra Daha Ruja Raga Pralaba Jwara Trid Pramaha. All the Pitta predominant symptoms, right? Tivra Daham, Ruja, Ragam, redness, Pralapa, Jwara, Trid and Prama can be seen in this condition. Tikta Asya, there will be bitter taste in the mouth. Pida Vadana, the full face looks like yellowish in color. Shiprakarisha Shankakaha, it is quickly affecting, fast. Shiprakari, fast, quickly it will affect. Shiprakari sa Shankakaha, that disease is known as Shankaga. Triratra Jividam Handi Siddhyandi Abhi Ashu Satitaha. Triratra Jividam Handi. If we are not giving treatment, Triratra Jividam Handi, within 3 days the patient will die. So Triratra Jividam Handi Siddhyandi Api Ashu Satitaha. And if we give Ashu, quickly we give a medicine or a treatment, then Siddhyandi. there's a chance of getting recovered from Shankaka. The life can be saved if we are giving the treatment quickly. So that is Shankaka according to Ashtangridaya. So it is all the doshas including Shonida, Rekta is involved, but the pradhanyam is given, the predominance is given to Pitta Pradhana disease. And in Shanga region there will be swelling, and other symptoms are Tibra Daha, Rucha, Raga, Pralapa, Jwara, Thrid, Prama, Dikta Asyada, Pida Vadana, yellowish color of the face, Shiprakarisa Sangaha, and it will happen very quickly. And Triratra Jividam, if you are not giving any treatment within 3 days, the patient will die. If you are giving the treatment suddenly, then there is a chance of getting recover. So this is Shankaka according to Ashtangridaya. Next sloka is Shankaka according to Susruta Samhita. Shanka asrudo vayur uddirna vegaha कृतानुयात्रा कफपित्तरक्तैः रुजः सुतीव्राः प्रतनोति मूर्धनि विशेषतश्चाभिः शङ्कयोस्तु सुकष्टमेनं खलु शङ्खकाख्यां महर्षयो वेदविदः पुराणः व्याधिं वदन्ति उद्गतं मृत्युकल्पं भिक्षक्सहस्रैरपि दुर्निवारम् शङ्काश्रितो वायुर उद्दीर्ण वेगः कृतानु यत्र कफपित्तरक्तैः. So in Susruta Samhita also Acharya is mentioning all the doshas are involved. Kapha, Pitta, Rekta, all are involved, but it will happen suddenly when the Vayu will get aggravated, triggered. So Shankasrudo Vayur Uddirna Vegaha, suddenly it will get triggered. Kritanu Yatra, it is accompanied by Kapha, Pitta and Rekta. So Shankasrita Vada is getting vitiated along with Kapha, Pitta and Rekta. What all symptoms are seen? Ruchaha Sutivraha Pradhanodi Murthani. Tivra Rucha, where in Murthani, in the head. Visheshataschapihi Shankayostu, especially in the Shanga region, in the temple region. Sukashtamenam Khalu Shankakakyam Maharshayo Vedavidaha Puranaha. It is mentioned in olden days itself that also very difficult to manage. Sukashtamenam Khalu Shankakakyam, very difficult diseases. Shankaka Maharshayo Vedavidaha Puranaha. It is mentioned in Vedas itself, that is that much old disease is Shankaka. Vyadhim vadanti udgada mrityu kalpam bhikshak sahasrairabi durnivaram. If 1,000 sahasrairabi bhikshak, 1,000 physician comes together and treat also, it is very difficult to cure. Vadanti udgada mrityu kalpam, it will lead to death. So Shankaka according to Susruta Samhita, Acharya is mentioning, it is already mentioned in Vedas, very Purana disease, very old disease, and if 1,000 physician together will try also, it is difficult to cure. That much difficult disease is Shankaka. Here all the doshas are there, but the main factor here Acharya is mentioning is Vayu. Vadam will get aggravated along with all Kapha, Pitta and Rekta, and it will cause Tivra Ruja in the Murthani, especially in the Shanga region. And it is very difficult to cure, and it is mentioned in olden days itself. So that is Shankaka according to Susruta Samhita. In Ashtangridaya it is Pitta Pradhana Vyadhi, and here it is Vada Pradhana Vyadhi. Chikitsa for Shankaka. In Ashtangridaya, when we learned the Pitta and Rektaja Shirashula, if you remember, there Acharya is mentioning Rektaja Shirashula Chikitsa, Shankaka can be treated as Shankaka and Rektaja Shirashula can be treated similar to Pittaja Shirashula. So here we have to give all the Pittaja Shirashula Chikitsa for Shankaka according to Ashtanga Hridaya, and there is mentioning you have to first mention or intimate with them the condition. It is a condition called Shankaka and is very difficult to cure, that you have to first tell the patient before the treatment, and then you can give the Pittaja Shirashula Chikitsa. And in Susra Samhita, there is a separate Chikilsa mentioned for Shankhaka. We'll see that one. Sida sarpihi prashamsanti nasye panescha shankage janghalanam rasaihi snigder aharascha atra shasyade. Ksheerasarpihi prashamsanti nasye panescha shankhage. In Shankhaka, we can give nasya, and for snehapana, what we can give? Ksheerasarpihi. Sarpi means ghee, prepared from sheera, prepared from milk. Ksheerasarpihi prashamsanti. So, ghee prepared from milk can be given for nasya and pana for internally also in Shankhaka. So, Ksheerasarpihi prashamsanti nasye panescha Shankhage. Also, in Ahara, Jankalanam Resaihi Snigder Aharascha Astra Shasyade. In the food, along with food, we have to tell the patient to take Jankalanam Resaihi, soup prepared with the Jankala Mamsa. Snigdehi and mixed with the snigda, fat and fat or oil, and aharascha. In the ahara, we have to mix the soup of jangala rasa and also fat in the ahara and ask the patient to consume. That is a one treatment for a Shankhaka. This is next Leba yogas. Lebana can be given using Shadhavirim Tilam Krishnan Madhukam Neelam Utpalam Durva Punarnavascha Eva Lebe Sadhva Avacharayet Mahasukhandam Athava Palinthim Cha Amla Peshita. So this is two yogas for Leba. The first yoga is Shadhavirim Tilam Krishnan. Shadhaviri Krishna Tila Matuka Neelolpalam Durva Punarnava Cha Evam Lebe Satva Avacharayet. So all these things we have to make a paste and have to apply on the head. So Shadhaviri Krishna Tila Matuka Neelolpalam Durva and Punarnava. Or Mahasugandham Athava Palindim Cha Amla Peshidam. Mahasugandham Athava Palindim. These any of these two drugs along with amla peshidam, sour or fermented liquids, we have to mix with these dravyas mixed with the sour or fermented liquids, and that can be used as a leba in Shankhaka. So these are the two leba yogas. First, Acharya mentioned Ksheerasarpi can be used for nasya and pana, and in ahara we can mix snigdha dravya, snigdha fat and all along with jangala mamsa rasa, soup of jangala mamsa. And the two leba yogas, one is Shadhaviri Krishnatila Madhuka Neelolpala Durva Punarnava, and second one is Mahasugandham Palindi mixed with the Amla Peshidam, sour dravyas or fermented liquids. Shidamscha atra parishekan pradehamscha prayojayeta. Then Acharya is mentioning in Shankhaka we have to give parisheka and pradeha, and we have to wash the head, parisheka and pradeha, or apply leba with the shidamscha atra, shida dravyas can be used for a leba and parisheka in Shankhaka condition. Avapidascha deyo atra suryavarta nivaranaha. So avapidanasya can be given here also. Suryavarta nivaranaha. In suryavarta, which avapidanasya prayoga is mentioned, that we can give here also. So in Tika it is mentioned suryavarta nivarana avapida is shirisha mulaga phaler avapido. So shirisha bijadi avapidanasya can be given here also. So avapidascha deyo atra suryavartha nivaranam. So Acharya is mentioning Shida lebas and parishekas. For parishekam, sekam we can use Shida Drivya dravyas, and also avapidanasya using this one Shirisha Mulaka and Phala, Shirisha, Muraga and Phala. Using this, Avapida Masya can also given. That is mentioned for in Suryavarta Chikilsa that we learned in last class, right? So that's about Shankhaka. So Shankhaka, hope you all understood the lakshanas mentioned in Ashtanga Hridaya and Susra Samhita, and also in Ashtanga Hridaya, Acharya is mentioning the Pittacha Shirishula Chikitsa can be followed there, and in Susra Samhita, Acharya mentioning Shira Sarpi for Nasya and Pana, and also Jangala Mamsa along with Snigdha Dravyas for Ahara, and the two Lepana Yogas is mentioned, and also Shida Veera Dravyas can be used for Pradeha and Parisheka, and one more yoga is mentioned for Shankhaka. So that is a Lakshana and Chikitsa for Shankhaka. Next comes Anantavada. Anantavada is only mentioned in Susra Samhita. So we can compare all these conditions to different types of headache only. All these are headaches. So different types of headaches are there. So these all different types of these Shirorogas can be compared to different types of headaches. So next comes Anandavada. This is only mentioned in Susra Samhita. Doshastu dushtastraya eva manyam sampidya khadasu ruchamsu tibram कुर्वन्ति साक्षि ब्रूवि शङ्खदेशे स्थितिं करोत्यास्तु विशेषतस्तु गण्डस्य पार्श्वे तु करोति कम्बं अनुग्रहं लोचनजांश्च रोगान् अनन्तपादं तम् उदाहरन्ति दोषत्रयोत्थं शिरसो विकारान्. So doshastu dushtastraya eva manyam sampidya khadasu rucham tibram. So here which all doshas are involved? All the doshas getting vitiated. Doshastu dushta strayaha. All the three doshas are getting vitiated. Eva manyam sampidya khadasu. Manya means which region? The neck region. Okay, so the neck region, manyam, the side of the neck is getting sampidya khadasu rucham sutibram. Tibra rucham in the manya region. Kurvanti sa akshi bru shankha deshe sthitim karoti ashu visheshadastu. Also there will be severe pain in akshi, bru and shankha desham. So in manya and akshi, bru and shankha desha there will be severe pain, and this is caused by all the three doshas. Gandasya parshvetu karodi kambham hanugraham lojanajamscha rogan. Gandasya parshve. Ganda means which region? Cheek. So Gandasya parshvetu karodi kambham. Kambham in Gandasya, in the side of the cheeks, and also hanugraha. Hanugraha. Hanu means jaw. So hanugraha, lock jaw, and lojanajascha rogan, and diseases in the eyes. So Anantavadam tam udaharanti, that is known as Anantavada doshastrayotham shiraso vikaran. So here all the three doshas are getting vitiated. So that is Anantavada. Anantavada is mentioned already in Susra Samhita. Here all the three doshas are vitiated, and it is causing severe pain in the neck region, eyes, eyebrows, and in the temple region, and also there will be cheeks, kambam in near the parsham, in the side of the cheeks, and also jawclaw, the hanugraha, and there will be diseases in the lojana, eyes, and this disease is caused by all the three doshas, and this disease is known as Anantavada. This is the Lakshana mentioned in Susra Samhita. And Chikitsa for Anantavada are Anantavade kartavyaha suryavartaharo vidhi siravedascha kartavyo anantavada prashantaye aharascha vidadavyo vada pitta vinashanaha madhu mastaka samyava kritapurescha bhojanam. So Anantavade kartavyam suryavarta haro vidhi. In suryavarta, what all Chikitsa is mentioned, that can be given in Anantavada also. Siravedascha kartavyo, and we have to do along with that what? Siraveda. Siraveda can be done in Anantavada. Anantavada prashantaye. So in Anantavada, suryavarta Chikitsa along with the Siraveda can be done. Aharascha vidadavyo vada pitta vinashanam. Ahara, in ahara we have to follow vada pitta hara. Ahara only we have to ask them to take. Madhu Mastaka Samyava Kritapuraischa Bhojanam. So Madhu Mastaka Samyava Kritapura. All these things are some dishes. Madura sweet dishes. So this also ask them to take Madhu Mastaka Samyava Kritapura. All these things we can advise them to take. So this is Anandavada Chikilsa. So Anandavade Kartavyam Suryavarta Chikilsa along with Siraveda can be done in Ahara. Vada Pittahara Ahara should be taken, and also some Madura Rasa dishes. Madura dishes, sweet dishes can be asked them to take. So these are the Chikilsa for Anandavada. So these are the Lakshana and Chikilsa of Anandavada. Lakshana, all the three doshas are getting vitiated and causing severe pain in the neck region, Manya, Akshi, Bru and Shanka region, and also in Ganda Parsha, Kamba, causing Kamba in the Parsha part of Ganda, and also Hanugraha, and also diseases in the eyes. These are the Lakshanas and Chikilsa, and Anandavada, Suryavarta, Chikilsa. Along with that, Siraveda can be done, and also in Ahara, Vada, Pitta, Nashana, Ahara should be taken, and Madhu Mastaga, Samyava, Kritapura, these dishes can be taken. So these are the Chikilsa for Anandavada. Next comes some Samanya Chikilsa mentioned for Shiroroga. Krimikshaya Kritau Hitwa Shirorogeshu Buddhiman Matutaila Samayuktehi Shiramsi Athivirejayed. Paschat Sarshapatailena Tadu Nasyam Prayojayed. This is a Samanya Chikilsa for headache, for Shirashula, Shirorogas, Krimikshaya Krido Hitwa Shirorogeshu Buddhiman. Other than Krimi and Shayaja and Shiroroga, we can give Madhu Taila Samayuddhehi Shiram Stasya Ati Virejayed. Again and again we can give Shiro Virechana, that's in Nasya, using Madhu and Taila. So Madhu Taila Nasya can be given frequently in Shirorogas other than Krimi and Shayaja Shirorogas. And Paschat Sharshava Tailena Tado Nasyam Prayojayed. After this we can give Sarshava Taila Nasya. After this Madhu Taila Nasya, we can give Sarshava Taila Nasya also. Not in Krimi and Sheja condition. In all other Shirorogas we can follow this one. And here in Tika Acharya is mentioning Mula Anilol Mulatwad Sthana Buddha Kapha Vinashatwa Sarshapataila Nasyam. Sarshapataila is giving for Nasya for a Vada. It is Vada predominant. Mula Anilam Unmulanatwad. The Mula dosha or Karana for this Shiroroga is Vada. So Unmulanatwad of that. And also Sthana Buddha Kapha Vinashanatwa. Sthana Buddha Kapha. That means that is Kaphaja Sthana, right? Shiras is Kaphaja Sthana. For that Unmulanatvam or Vinashanatvam, we are giving Sarshapataila Nasya. So this is a Samanya Chikilsa. Other than Krimi and Shayaja Shiroroga, we can give first Madhu Taila Nasya, and followed by that we can give Sarshapataila Nasya. And Nacha Ichandim Varjenti Evam Snigdha Swinnas Tado Bhikshar Paschat Ubajare Samyak Siranam Atha Mokshanaihi. Nacha Ichandim Varjendevam. So by giving all this treatment, if there is no cure, then we have to do Snigdam Swinnam Tado Bhikshar. Snehana and Svedana should be given. Snigdam Swinnam Tado Bhikshar. Paschat Ubajare. After that, Paschat Ubajare Samyak Siranam Atha Mokshanam. Sira Mokshanam. Bloodletting can be done after that. If with all this treatment it is not subsiding, then we can go for Snehana. Samyak Snehana and Samyak Svedana should be given. After that we can give Sira Mokshanam. Siranam Atha Mokshanam. This is some Samanya Chikilsa mentioned in the last part of the chapter in Susruta Samhita. So that's about Shirakamba, Shankhaka and Anandavada. Lakshanas and Chikilsa. Shirakamba is only mentioned in Ashtanga Hridaya, Anandavada is only mentioned in Susruta Samhita. Shankhaka is mentioned in both the Susruta Samhita and Ashtanga Hridaya, and some Samanya Chikilsa is also mentioned. So hope you all understood today's class, and study all these slokas and have a nice day. Thank you.